This is the second fresh custody from Raymond Terrace Local Court in late September 2024. What has the person allegedly done to become today's fresh custody? Fresh offending while on bail, allegedly. Yes, the defendant is already on bail for some other offending, which is subject to bail conditions. One of which is likely the standard bail condition, that is, you are not to re-offend. Police are alleging he has been stealing bikes while on bail, which the defendant has pled guilty to. So this fresh custody will run slightly different because it's a show cause. Meaning it's not, who are you, what's happened, and should bail be granted. I think the attitude of the court is different when it's a show cause. Meaning it's more like, hello again, you were granted bail last time because you agreed not to re-offend. Police are alleging you have re-offended. Tell us why you should be released back out on bail. Usually the question of bail requires the prosecution bearing the onus of showing that there is an unacceptable risk if released on bail. However, when it's a show cause, it's the defendant who bears the onus of showing why they should be released on bail. You'll hear the same bail considerations in show cause cases as you do in bail cases. For example, you'll still hear about the strength of the prosecution's case or the need to be at liberty. So what consideration does the defendant put forward in this case? The defendant, via their solicitor, explains to the court that he needs to be released to care for his mum. By the way, the dock at Raymond Terrace is enclosed with glass and you can see the defendant, and the defendant can see everyone in the gallery the whole time. The defendant sees his mum, who's in the back row of the gallery. Additional conditions are proposed to strengthen the bail. However, the magistrate is not persuaded, saying words to the effect like, you didn't care that you needed to care for your mum when you were stealing the bikes. In addition, the magistrate explains because the defendant's history of not complying with court orders, they are not satisfied that the defendant will comply with the bail conditions. Bail is refused. There's a quick exchange of I love yous between the defendant and his mum as the correctional officers remove him from the dock and through the side door out of sight. So stealing bikes while on bail can result in you becoming a fresh custody. In addition, any type of re-offending while on bail means you will have the burden of persuading the magistrate to give you a second chance of being at liberty while you have a case at the New South Wales Local Court.